Hello everybody, it's me Firm1VR and I'm going to show y'all the most recommended settings to use for Oculus Debug Tool. And to get there, what you need to do is you need to open your files. Should be at the bottom of your page and it should look like this, File Explorer. And when you open that, this is what you need to do. Go down to this PC and click on whichever one. I'm going to go to Local Disk, go to Program Files, then go to Oculus, go to Support, Oculus Diagnostics, and then Oculus Debug Tool. Now, wait on this to load. Guys, so, about this part, you need to open Meta Horizon Link to keep this going, by the way. It will take a bit to load. Once it loads, again, you'll see the little logo pop down over here, which it should say Oculus. This will load. And the reason why I have voice mod open is because my microphone for my headphones does not work correctly, so I'm having to use my camera microphone to actually talk. Once you have this open, what you want to do is, we're actually not going to go on into this part yet, but go right back into the files, and then we're going to open Oculus Debug Tool, and then here you go. All right, next, we're going to restart as administrator because you will need admin. Or I'm just going to show y'all the best settings to use for Airlink. The first thing you want to do is you want to have your bitrate MPS, which is right here. Keep this as 0. Because if it's on auto, that means that it can only control how much you should make it. Video codec needs to be H.264 because it offers a lower latency than HEVC/AV1. For fast-paced games like Gorilla Tag and all the stuff like that. The dynamic bitrate has to be at least maximum. The bitrate maximum is actually like 960, but if you're on Airlink, it's 200 to 300, by the way. Pixels per display override. This is kind of for like Link, but we can still use it. So we're going to set this to 1, but if you have a great PC and have a great performance on your PC, you can set it to 1.2, but that's how I would recommend it. Link sharpening needs to be at least quality or enabled. I use quality. Slice encoding needs to be on, and make sure this is set to 0 because this can also mean auto. Local dimming needs to be enabled. Now, it is now time to open this part right here. Oh. Hang on. I will need to update mine because I don't know. Now, the reason why it's updating is because of this right here. Once that restarts, you will need to, if you do not see where it says like where you can adjust your hertz and stuff, what you need to do is you need to turn on your headset. You can leave it on charging and stuff like that. And you could probably hear my headset turned on because mine is not connected to my PC right now. See, as you can see, it is now active. And now this is mine right here. Your refresh rate should definitely be 90 hertz or 120, but use 120 hertz if your PC can handle it. I use 90 because it's great. I'll probably do in a small video that I'll show you what it can do. To avoid unnecessary GPU strain, you will want to set this to 1, or you can leave it on automatic, as this will keep it from straining. Now that it is restarted, I have all this done. We will want to do this though. I'm going to open this. I'm going to restart the Oculus service. That is the best settings to use on Oculus Debug Tool for the administrator. And yeah, if you want more tutorials like this then make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, I might make more. Have a great day everybody, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more like tutorials like this. And yeah, see you later.